All right, welcome back to Conscious Evolution. I um, I was gonna do a little demo, a little healing session for you guys. I wanted to see. I know some people really do feel this, so if you have a few minutes, find a place to sit down. If you need to pause the video, then do that. Sit down or lay down, and just watch the video and sit there. Well, you don't really need to watch. Just lay there and listen to my voice. I'm gonna send these frequencies through for a couple minutes while I'm still out in this beautiful scenery, this beautiful nature before I pack it up and walk home. I've been pulling these frequencies through for over an hour, and all the animals and bugs and birds that have been surrounding me is really blowing my mind, and I feel like this is what I should do right now. So I'm going to do it. And I would love for you to participate. Maybe this could be a test run for you. See if it's something you want to maybe explore further, and do participate in a group session with Africa and I. Maybe you can book an individual session with me or Africa, or me and Africa. Yeah, these are all services that we offer currently. So just sit down, relax, close your eyes, preferably, and no music, no TV playing. Just shut out all the distractions. And just be open to receive. Receive the healing frequencies. Be in the now moment. You are enough, just the way you are. Just the way you are. Don't change for anybody else. If you want to change for yourself, if you want to improve what you perceive as lacking of yourself, then don't do it for anyone other than yourself. Because you gotta love yourself. That's what it's all about. If you're feeling the frequencies, if your eyelids start fluttering, if you're having involuntary muscle spasms or movements, don't worry about it. That's natural. That's normal. That's quite a common occurrence. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, these frequencies go wherever you are. If you're open to receive them, whether it's through this video, whenever you get it, they're multidimensional energies. Doesn't matter what time. Everything is in the now. Everything exists right now. If you can feel the frequencies in your hands, start playing with them. Access them. The best way to start is hold your hands down like this, and then access them and bring them up. You always want to keep them like this far apart. Don't get all in there. Just keep them out. But if you want, you just picture there's a hook in each one of your palms, and then you connect the string like a rubber band, and then you stretch it. Nice and easy. Don't break it. Just real easy. You'll feel it get stronger the further away you get. I mean, it does. It gets a lot stronger the further away you get. love yourself. Always remind yourself that you are enough, just the way you are. You know, they came to tell us to continue doing what you're doing. And what you're doing is bringing light and information onto the planet. What you're doing is reconnecting strings. What you're doing is reconnecting strands. And you must know that you are a master. You must know it. And we came because of your reputation. That was the 6 phrases that were channeled to Dr. Eric Pearl over 50 times from different people. From like 50 different people. Think Spirit was trying to tell us something? It's kind of a big deal here, guys. Like a really big deal, you know? You are enough. You are a powerful being. You are a being of light in a human form. You must know that you are a master. Don't doubt yourself. Don't discredit yourself. Everything you say has an effect on your subconscious, on your conscious mind, on your body, your cellular structure. Everything is listening. Everything is energy. Everything is consciousness, and it's all listening all the time. The universe is taking orders, and what you speak and what you think is the order that you're placing. So think about that. What you think and speak into existence, is that what you want for your future? Because that's what you're going to get. And the manifestations are really starting to pick up. I mean, we said something last night that manifested in like an hour. Careful what you say. Make sure it is really in alignment with your highest self, with your highest good, you know? The universe knows who you are. The Creator knows you by name. Gaia, Mother Earth, knows you by name. You are important. You are loved. You are magnificent. I love you. You should love you too. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Do you feel the energy? Do you feel the frequencies coming through? I mean, seriously, let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious. It's I've heard a lot of mixed things, but when people feel it, they really feel it. Like a session, like having a session done. Like I said, everything exists in the now, and this energy is multidimensional. It knows who you are, it knows what you need, and it knows where you are. If you're interested in learning more or book a session with me, please send me an email and donate to the PayPal link below. If you want to participate in the healing session that Africa and I do every Sunday, you can donate $33 and put a note in there for group healing or something. I'm working on a website now, so once I get that up and running, I'll let you know. I love each and every one of you. Be the change that you want to see in this world. Bye bye.